The 90mm Refractor Telescope for adults, designed by LUVONI, is a high-powered device that provides incredible image brightness and clarity, thanks to its large 90mm aperture and multi-coated optical lenses. With an impressive focal length of 800 millimeters, the telescope can achieve magnifications ranging from 32 times to 240 times, allowing users to observe detailed views of deep space objects such as Saturn, Jupiter, and even moon craters. The telescope comes equipped with a variety of useful accessories, including a durable stainless steel tripod for stable support, a 5x24 finderscope for precise object locating, a phone adapter, and a wireless remote control for capturing stunning space images and videos. Despite its advanced features, the telescope is easy to set up and use, making it an excellent choice for kids and beginners interested in exploring space. The telescope is portable and comes with a carrying bag, allowing users to easily store and transport it during outdoor activities. LUVONI provides lifelong maintenance and 24-hour technical support for the telescope, ensuring a safe shopping environment for customers.